How to add Outlook in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you can launch a preferred browser and search for mail.google.com, which will redirect you to your Gmail. Over here, make sure that you are signed in with your account. At the very top of the dashboard, you will see a setting gear option. You need to click on it, after which tap on See All Settings. This will take you to a new interface. From here, click on the option of Account and Import. Scroll down until you see the option of Check Mail from Other Account. Then tap on Add a Mail Account. When you click on it, a dialog box will pop up, in which you can enter your email address, that is, your Outlook email address, then tap on Next. After you have entered your password, you'll be able to add your Outlook in your Gmail. Now, in one application, you can check mails from both the Gmail and Outlook. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for watching.